Distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me great pleasure to be among you today and address the 31st edition of the Future Industry Summit, where industry experts have come together to engage in meaningful discourse on topics related to the sustainability of manufacturing practices and shed light on technological advancements that will promote efficiency across different industries. Over the past decade, we have witnessed at first hand the emergence of numerous reliability trends driven by the need to improve operational efficiency and optimize maintenance cost. These programs have shifted focus from traditional reactive approach to a more practical framework, employing predictive measures that have leveraged available technology and advancements in equipment inspection, data collection, and rationalization, which have enabled the manifestation of programs like total plant reliability management. To further counter the cyclical nature of our business and the ever-changing market dynamics of the energy industry, efforts were taken a step forward and companies adopted operational excellence models that integrated existing management systems and best practices to sustain leading performance in value creation and business sustainability. This was achieved by establishing OE playbooks that incorporated enabling elements covering main aspects of business, such as continuous improvement, asset management, human resources, and so forth. Each element included expectations pertaining to its related work processes, and practices. It also specified the requirement of organizations to fulfill certain objectives related to a given element. Nevertheless, regardless of all the progress that has been realized this far to uphold equipment availability, Fortune Global 500 industries continue to lose around $1.5 trillion each year due to unplanned downtime. As a matter of fact, a single hour of downtime today costs oil and gas facilities nearly $500,000. For that purpose, the industry continues to spare no effort in exploring ways and means to diminish the impact of unplanned operational disruptions. It is in my opinion that artificial intelligence will play a more prominent role in this field over the short run, whereas relevant technology is leveraged to predict potential failures, optimize schedules, and in some cases, automate maintenance tasks. Moreover, subject applications are expected to reduce downtime by up to 50% and maintenance cost by around 40%. A recent study by Energy Media found that one refinery has saved about $70 million over a span of 2 years by fixing recurring issues with AI-powered maintenance applications. To cite a few examples of future AI application in our business, digital twins, for one, will be employed by capitalizing on virtual replicas of assets to simulate equipment behavior under different conditions and predict potential failures. Similarly, edge computing and advanced AI algorithms will facilitate the deployment of more sophisticated models to analyze vast amounts of data from various sources derived from sensors, maintenance logs, and historical records to estimate the life cycle of an asset in great accuracy. At present, nearly 92% of companies are already investing in artificial intelligence or plan to do so soon. This widespread adaptation has pushed the AI market in oil and gas towards significant growth. Experts project an increase in overall spending on AI from $3.1 billion in 2024 to $5.7 billion by 2029. I might add that companies have already started to see impressive results with AI integration, reducing operational costs by up to 20%. Before we part, I would like to leave you with the following thought. Companies that embrace AI-powered application will gain a significant competitive edge by optimizing resource allocation and improving overall operational efficiency. If you don't have any plans to enlist into the AI realm as of now, you will be missing out on the next big thing. Thank you.